Hi everyone, welcome to Clove and Cumin. Today we're making Indian mint sauce. This is a really easy sauce and takes less than 5 minutes to make. The main ingredient here is Greek yogurt, and we start by putting that into the blender. We add cilantro, a little mint, some green chili, garlic, salt, sugar, black pepper, a little cumin, coriander, garam masala, and lemon juice. Now we blitz it a few times in the blender and you're done. That's it. Take your sauce and chill it in the refrigerator until you're ready to use. It's absolutely awesome. Till next time, enjoy.